How do you say hi?
It's so quiet, is it not?
It's quiet,
I
so I don't know what to
start talking.
say.
Okay, hi guys. So welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first video. So in honor of my first video, I thought, why not have a special guest on my first video? So would you like to introduce yourself?
So I'm Gayle. Hi.
We'll leave her social media
Down below.
So the purpose of today's video is to open up, to do an unboxing of the Bretman Morphe collab. I'm super excited about this because one, I love Bretman Rock.
She does.
I think he's hilarious. He's my spirit animal.
He's Filipino.
We have no bias. Haven't seen the palette. Haven't swatched it.
Haven't opened it.
I've been refraining from looking at it for 2 weeks now. Like, no, 2 weeks. We've been trying to open. We've been trying to get together for like 2 weeks to do this.
Now,
let's get
down to
open
business.
it. Okay. Should I open it?
Yes, you have to open it.
Fragile. Handle with care. Okay, from the get-go, let's show the audience the
packaging.
You
show yours. I love the color. Favorite color.
It's holographic, no?
Yes, it is.
Welcome to highlighter paradise. Who better than Bretman Rock to handpick 6 staringly creamy highlighters to suit every Morphe babe under the sun? Beach, please. I like that. Beach, please. If you've never seen or felt highlighters this bomb before, pair with our custom fan brush and you're good to glow. So we did our makeup like
prior.
Yeah, light glam, kind of everyday look prior. So we could save time off camera. The description on Morphe's website says, Morphe x Bretman, meet our brand new high impact highlighters. These 6 shades were developed with Bretman Rock and are truly made for every Morphe babe under the sun. Beach, please. Oh, didn't I just read this? Okay, anywho. So we got, they have 3 different sections for Get the Look. They have Simple Slay, Slay, and Super Slay. So I feel like I probably will do like a Super Slay look. So
I'm more towards Simple Slay.
So basically I'm gonna use a setting spray. Don't mind the grandfather clock. Talk about.
Okay. So when you open the package, you get it in this, what is this called? Bubble wrap. It's very nice.
Sweet, I like that.
They both have like,
this
so
is
basically
so cool.
If you travel, you can technically take this and nothing will get broken.
Who travels with bubble wrap? Asians.
Yes,
Asians. I appreciate this fan brush though, even though like I'm not really into these fan brushes anymore. Like, I appreciate them. I don't think I mentioned this already, but this retails for $29, so you're getting 6 highlighters and a fan brush. That's a good deal in comparison to a lot of other highlighting kits I have that are like $30+ and no brush. That's a pretty good deal. I mean, we haven't tested the product yet, but we gonna see.
So
you wanna open yours?
The outer is pretty much the same as the box.
Oh shoot!
It's very similar. Yeah.
Okay.
So what I like is if you open it, it actually has like magnetic clasp so that it stays together. Did you see that? Open yours.
Like secure.
Yeah, secure, right? Maybe it's because it's new. I don't know. But okay, so when you open it, you get a message from Bretman. Aloha, mahalo for supporting your fave babe in paradise. Growing up on the islands gave me a diverse perspective on life that I want to share with you. I hope this palette captures the beauty and essence.
No, the essence.
The essence of paradise beauty. Bye, bitch, Bretman Rock.
Oh my gosh.
To protect it, and then is pretty much named on it. Okay?
Okay, right off the bat, which one do you think is gonna look best on you?
Bebe Girl.
Bebe Girl is like the white iridescent with that pink. That's pretty.
Well, if you look at his description, he says it's pearlescent pink, right?
Oh yeah, so let's look at the shades. Okay, we have 6 interesting shade names. We'll start with, so I'll read it and then you can show everyone. We've got Bebe Girl, which is a pearlescent pink. We have Vacation, which is an ice champagne sheen. Personally, I think that's going to be my favorite. Mahu, which is a gilded gold. We have Get Laid, which is a peachy pink sheen. Next we have Chihu, which is a soft rose sheen. And last but not least, we have Shady Bitch, which is a golden copper luster. Also to mention that the brush on Morphe's website said it's made from natural bristles, and that the whole packaging is 28 grams and has 0.99 fluid ounces. Oh no, not fluid ounces, just regular ounces. Just regular ounces. Let's start off with some swatches. There.
Got it.
Okay, so we're gonna start with Baby Girl.
I like this one a lot. Can you see it? Do you feel it's very pigmented? Doesn't have to be, but I like the color.
I see the tendon. Looking at the tendons in my head, you know, PT school. Okay, next color we got
Vacation. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's
my
this
gosh.
One. Vacation. I like it.
This is calling my name.
I think it looks very nice.
Okay.
It has this weird smell to it, though.
Like what?
Maybe it's just out of the packaging.
It smells like Hawaii.
I've never been to Hawaii, but I don't think Hawaii smells
I'm too congested
like this.
to know what anything smells like. Okay. Next. Mahu. So Mahu is more gilded gold, and I definitely see that. It's a little bit more gold. Oh, this is nice.
Get Laid is next.
Get Laid. So Get Laid is the peachy pink sheen. I think this might look nice on you. Let's see. Ooh.
What do you think? I don't know. I'm still leaning
You know, it looks
Vacation.
darker in here, but when I actually apply it,
it's not that bad, right?
It's not that bad. Like, you could build this up. Next, Chihu. Soft rose sheen. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 2 left. So this is definitely a different shade for me. I feel like this would look really nice in my blush. And last but not least, Shady Bitch. Shady Bitch.
He definitely tried to cater for every, like, skin.
Wow, look at this on my finger.
It has this, like, copper gold feel to it.
Wow, wow. It's just way too dark for me.
I can't even. I think I took too much. But
it's cute.
It's not gonna work out for me.
Girl, I ain't complaining.
This is gonna look very nice as my eyeshadow, or if I mix it with my blush, let's see how it works. But I'm very excited. I like his formula.
So these are the different shades. We got on top Shady Bitch. Next, Chihu. Then we have Get Laid, Mahu, Vacation, and Baby Girl.
Is kind of like light. Let's see.
Yeah, show Baby Girl one more time. There we go. Okay, guys, so now I'm showing you what it looks like with the iPhone lighting. On top, we have Shady Bitch. Below that, we got Chihu, Get Laid, Mahu, Vacation, and Baby Girl. So now you can really see the glow. So we decided that Gayle's going to use the fan brush, and she's not going to use any setting spray, so she's going to go for the simple look.
I would try Baby Girl.
Baby Girl.
And maybe Get Laid.
Okay, so maybe...
Or Chihu, actually.
You could do Get Laid and then put Baby Girl on top, or vice versa.
Oh, that's true.
Do Get Laid and then do Baby Girl on top. And sweep the highlighter seamlessly onto the skin. Apply to the high points of your cheekbones, following the curvatures of your face. So you want to do that?
Pictures of my face. Yes, yeah. I'll do that. And which one are you going to do?
I'm actually going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush as a comparison. This is my favorite highlighting brush. I want to give Bretman's highlighting palette a fair chance. This is my favorite highlighting brush. I gotta apply it the same way as I would with any of my other highlighters. So Gayle's gonna go first. She's gonna apply it her way, and we gonna see.
Right here. Where? Pass me a mirror. Curvature of my face.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Let me see. Oh, it looks nice.
It looks
go
nice,
in a little
right?
bit more of a C motion though.
C?
Like a C. So when you do it, you also want to go like
up
by the brow.
Got it.
You know? Yeah, I'm doing that. Let me see. Did you do baby girl yet?
I put it on top.
Oh my god.
I put it on top. It looks really nice.
Yo. Oh yeah, I couldn't see in the light before.
Now, can you see it?
Yeah, you did both or just
yes,
one?
I did both. Both of them.
Yeah, I feel like you could add maybe. So maybe
you can usually add.
So take your ring finger.
Ring finger.
Yeah. Okay, now put a little under like your brow, the arch of your brow, and just blend through it.
Oh, that is really nice.
And then do it on the other one. Want your vacation?
Where?
Put it on the tip of your nose. Okay, so you want me to do it?
Yes,
I'll do it. That'll be easier. Okay, so I finished off her makeup. I did, I just highlighted the cupid's bow, a little bit at the tip of the nose, up the bridge, and then right in the inner corners. And with the inner corners and the nose, I did a mixture of Vacation and Baby Girl, and I think it looks really nice. Oh, I love the way your nose looks.
And I don't have a bridge, so it's like
Let me see.
non-existent.
Looking like a snack. Oh my gosh, you know what we forgot?
Okay.
The ears.
Oh,
girl, you gotta highlight
my ears. Bretman Rock highlights.
Bretman, if
ears.
you're watching this, I love you.
You have to say mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
That means I love you in Tagalog.
So can I have a mirror, please? To start, because we're going for that super slay look, I'm going to wet my brush with MAC Fix Plus. We're gonna do 2 spritzes. Okay, I'm gonna do Vacation first, and then I'm gonna put Maho. How does that look so far?
So far, I think it looks nice.
Ooh, I can see it right there in that lighting. It's looking nice.
Oh.
2 more spritzes for the other side. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Like what? I'm golden. No, I'm gonna do Vacation and Baby Girl on my nose because I really want to try those.
I think maybe if I was going for a more subtle look, like something not like blinding, I would put on just Baby Girl. Just not go out.
Just stay in the house.
Don't go out.
So now let's put Baby Girl. Baby Girl, you're so damn fine, don't you know that song? Do you know that song?
No.
She doesn't get my hip hop references.
You don't get my musical references.
I do watch some musicals. We were just talking about La La Land.
La La Land does not count.
Oh my god. Wow. Baby Girl is stunning. Do the same thing, and I'm going to put Vacation and Baby Girl in the corner of my eye. I have already put it on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow, and it's stunning. Baby Girl is stunning. I want more of it. Like, I need more of it. Turns out she does know this song.
I know this song.
Okay, so final thoughts. We were able to use all 6 shades. $29, a fan brush, a very great range of highlighters and colors. I think it's definitely worth the money. Really, I've never seen a rose gold that looks like this. I mean, I don't own a highlighter that looks like Chihu, and that one really stuck out to me. I really, really like it. I think that's going to work really nice on darker skin tones. Baby Girl was definitely one of both of our favorites. Negation on the ears.
And even if you feel like you don't know what to do with the darker shades, I feel like you can find something.
No, definitely those darker shades. So for the lighter fair girls out there, you can add Chihu to your blush. You can add Shady Bitch, or maybe even Get Laid to your bronzer. I mixed in my MAC Extra Dimension blush with the shades Chihu and Shady Bitch, and I really like it. Like, my cheeks are glowing. And I thought that these shades were both going to be way too dark for me, but they look nice. Like, I'm shining.
Oh, that's really pretty.
My voice is getting worse as this video goes on, but I like it. What was your favorite color?
Favorite color? I would have to say Baby Girl. I feel like if you put it on top of all the other colors, it just completes it. Definitely, it's easy to use, easy to apply, even if you just use like a regular like highlighting brush.
I think my favorite shade was Mahu. This shade right here. And then I really like Baby Girl too. I like she was saying, it's a really nice finish. It's got that like, what did it say? Pink,
pearlescent pink.
Pearlescent pink. Yeah, it's really pretty. It looks nice on top of everything else. So I feel like you could definitely mix that highlighter with other shades or even other brands, and it would look really, really awesome.
Final thoughts.
Bella is going wild. Final thoughts for $29. The Morphe Babe in Paradise palette. Morphe Bretman collab is definitely worth your money. I would say if you haven't gone out and bought it already.
Definitely.
It's worth it. You're getting 6 really pretty shades, very versatile, good for every day, going out, going to the supermarket, going to your man's house, going to the gym. Girl.
Wherever you want to shine and get your glow on, just use Bretman Rocks palette.
Bretman, we love you, big fans. So super excited for you, and keep coming up with new stuff.
Excited for what Morphe has in store.
Morphe stepped up the game. So yeah, thanks guys for watching.
Bye.
Subscribe, follow us on social media, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Click subscribe. And then it has to be...
Have you seen the video though with Royalty, his daughter?
No.
The music.
His daughter is named Royalty? Whose daughter?
Chris Brown.
He has a daughter.